WESTPOINT Food Processor. Juice extractor, chopper, blender, grinder, slicer, and mincer. Model WF-1808. 700 watts power. User manual, catalog, and warranty card. Average quality rubber coupler gear clutch. Average quality cutting blade. All coupler gear clutch, motor, and jar couplers, connector juicer mixer base for blenders, drive sockets, head gear coupling fittings made with average quality plastic and rubber. I recently purchased this food processor, and my experience has been disappointing. The coupler gear clutch, motor, and jar couplers, connector juicer mixer base for blenders, drive sockets, and head gear coupling fittings are all made with average quality rubber. Additionally, the cutting blades are of low quality. When I tried to check the model on the WESTPOINT website, I couldn't find any information, which makes me suspect that this might be a fake or replica product. Alternatively, it could indicate that WESTPOINT produces products of average quality. I would advise caution to potential buyers.